How to earn money on the crypto market through decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Uniswap, for instance, requires you come with a cryptocurrency that you've already bought before. The price can skyrocket, and you'll just have to get the profit that increased 10, 20, or even 100 times. Welcome to the Coin Post. We often review the latest news, make price predictions, and choose the top altcoins for investment. But today, I want to offer a slightly different topic: how to make money on DEX exchanges and on DeFi projects. Obviously, you can make a return on investment or trading in cryptocurrency, but there are other ways. And what I want to talk about today is how to earn money on the crypto market through decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn how to earn on tokens and what to do with them. And let's get into it. May the experienced crypto gurus forgive me, but I must explain what a decentralized exchange is for beginners. These trading platforms are based on the Bitcoin principle. The essence of the first cryptocurrency is that only you control your funds and transactions are made without intermediaries. Decentralized trading platforms work the same way. They have no CEO, no top managers, no employees, no office, and no cryptocurrency vault, like Coinbase, Binance, and other centralized exchanges. They just don't need it, because a decentralized exchange is just a smart contract running on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, etc. The user doesn't have to transfer the cryptocurrency to the exchange, but trades directly from their wallet. So your funds are always as safe as long as your wallet is. While the developers of the project don't act as management, they just create the initial code and then work on improving it. For their work, they may get a reward in project tokens or part of commission fees. But this data is always available to the users, and if you decide that you don't want to work with them, you can just leave for a better trading platform. Protocols for decentralized trading cryptocurrencies were developed a long time ago. For example, Bancor, whose tokens were introduced in the market in the summer of 2017. But the platforms got popular only in 2020 and they continue to grow now. Much credit for that is owed to the Uniswap exchange. Its trading volume last week was $10 billion. PancakeSwap and Sushiswap are also leading on the market. We'll talk more about them at the end of the video when talking about making money on decentralized exchanges. Let's figure out what we get and what we lose if we use decentralized exchanges. Question number 1. Asset protection. I guess you know how the saying goes, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Like I said, on a decentralized site you control your own money, but that's a plus. If the exchange stops working, you won't lose your deposit, but you have to understand that every transaction you make sends a cryptocurrency to the exchange and back, so you have to pay a fee for that. On the Ethereum network, the average commission fee while making the video is $30. Therefore, many prefer to use the platforms on other blockchain without enormous fees, like PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain. Question number 2 is regulation and verification. In fact, these two are closely connected. The more a centralized exchange wants to please the authorities, the more personal information they will require before allowing trade. Whereas there's no such problem on a decentralized platform. You just need to connect your crypto wallet and you can make deals. I would also like to remind you that such exchanges don't have an office or a legal entity, which the tax office could use to request user data. That's very convenient, but keep in mind that if the authorities want to, they can shut down a decentralized exchange. There was already a precedent in the US when the regulator decided that if something works similar to an exchange, then it should have a license, and a chief developer was chosen as the manager responsible for this. As a result, the work of the smart contract was stopped and the developer paid the fine. If something like this happened to a decentralized site, you won't lose your money because it's in your wallet, nor will your data be leaked. But the stock exchange token price will collapse and you may lose the funds put on the smart contract, such as the liquidity pool. What you should also know about decentralized exchanges is that you're gonna have to learn a lot. It's on Binance you can transfer the money from your bank card and start trading right away. Uniswap, for instance, requires you come with a cryptocurrency that you've already bought before. However, such platforms are limited in the number of available cryptocurrencies. So Uniswap has only ERC20 tokens supported by Ethereum blockchain. And for PancakeSwap, you need BEP20 tokens. Therefore, if you have Bitcoin, you first have to get it tokenized, equivalent through one of the DeFi services in ERC20 format, and then you can sell it on Uniswap. There's no other way to do this, but in return, you'll get a decent bonus. Find out how you can make money besides trading on such exchanges next. And if you're enjoying the video, hit the like button to let me know you want more. So how do you make money here? Start by learning about an exchange and make a few deals. Uniswap became particularly popular after giving out its tokens to anyone who used the platform before a certain time. Back then, anyone who got on the list got about $2,000 for nothing. And whoever believed in the project and didn't sell the coins made even more money. Here's some statistics. The Uniswap token surged from $2 to $30. The price of the fork, Sushiswap, increased from $1 to $12. While its clone on the Binance blockchain, PancakeSwap, released its token on the market at a little more than $1 and its price soared to $26. After the Uniswap airdrop, it became popular to register in all new DeFi projects, waiting for them to release their native token or control token and give them out to the users. All in all, it could be really profitable, but only if you're lucky enough. It also makes sense to connect to the main decentralized exchanges on different blockchains, because that's where the tokens of young cryptocurrencies appear in the first place. And once they get listed on centralized platforms, the price can skyrocket, and you'll just have to get the profit that increased 10, 20, or even 100 times. But watch out for fraudsters that often create and add fake tokens to decentralized exchanges of well-known or hype projects. Make sure you pick the right trading pair and don't buy a fake, because you won't be able to cancel the deal or get a refund. The bottom line is, we have trading, airdrops, the exchange token price increase, and the opportunity to be the first to buy coins with X potential. And since such exchanges are related to DeFi, they also offer to earn on liquidity mining. The platform needs funds for convenient trading. You lend to the exchange and get a passive income for it. It's like opening an interest-bearing deposit, only your return is many times higher, especially if you spend time choosing a liquidity pool to find the most advantageous terms. I hope this video will help you get high profit, and I'm already making the next useful video for you. Join our community and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and get enlightened.